In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage passwords in Microsoft Authenticator. Here's the key change to understand up front. Passwords that used to feel tied to the Microsoft Authenticator app are now consolidated in your Microsoft account. That means instead of hunting through the Authenticator interface, you'll manage those saved logins through Microsoft Password Manager in the Edge browser. This keeps everything synced across your devices under your Microsoft account while still letting Authenticator handle sign-ins and autofill where appropriate. Let's start by opening Microsoft Edge on your desktop or mobile device. Make sure you're signed in with the same Microsoft account you use with Authenticator. That's what allows your credentials to stay consistent across platforms. If you haven't updated Edge in a while, it's a good idea to do that first so the menus and options look as expected and you get the latest security fixes. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner and click the three dots to open the main menu. On some mobile layouts, those dots might be along the bottom or slightly shifted, but they'll still open the settings and tools you need. This menu is your gateway to managing browsing features, and importantly for today, your saved passwords. From the menu, go into Settings, then find Passwords. This is the Microsoft Password Manager. Here you'll see your saved logins neatly organized, synced from your Microsoft account. You can view, edit, or delete credentials from this single place. To view details for a site, select it, and, if prompted, authenticate with your device PIN or biometrics before revealing the password. Only do this in a private setting to keep your information secure. To make a quick correction, maybe the username changed, edit the entry and save. If you no longer use an account, delete it to keep your vault tidy and reduce clutter. A clean list makes autofill faster and more reliable. If you notice something missing, confirm you're signed in with the correct account and that sync is enabled. You can also use the search bar within passwords to quickly find a site by name, which is especially helpful if you have a long list. While you're here, check that password suggestions and autofill are turned on, so Edge can help you create strong credentials and fill them automatically on sign-in pages. That's it. Your Microsoft account holds the passwords, Edge is where you manage them, and Authenticator supports your secure sign-ins. Keeping everything in one ecosystem makes your logins safer and simpler to maintain. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to manage your passwords with confidence.